What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Tech World EX. Today I'm going to be doing a new monthly series for October of this month where I make different PCs at certain price ranges and share the list with you guys. Today's price range will be about $1,700 US. For this month, I'm going to be building a PC around the new RTX 3080. This card is extremely difficult to find right now, but hopefully in a couple weeks you should be able to pick it up for $700 US. If you have any ideas for a price range that I could do for November of next month, put it in the comments below and I will do my best to do that for next month. With all that being said, let's get into it. For our processor, I chose a AMD Ryzen 7 3700X because at $294, it's a decent price while still being an 8-core 16-thread CPU that'll be able to handle anything you throw at it. If that's gaming, streaming, or basically anything, this processor should be able to handle it. To cool our processor, we're going to be going with an Corsair H100i Elite Capellix. Now this is very expensive at $150 US, but the RGB looks perfect, which will fit into our black and white color theme. If you really want, you could go for something cheaper. But this will do a very good job cooling your CPU, and I would recommend it for its price. Moving on over to our motherboard, we're going with the MSI MPG B550 Gaming Plus AM4 motherboard. This is a standard ATX board, and at $150 US, it delivers a lot of good VRMs for price to performance, which will help us with overclocking our 3700X. Due to the cooler we have, we should be able to overclock it nicely. For our RAM, I chose the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro. Now this is a 16 gig kit and it's in white, which will go with our black and white color theme. And it's at CL16 at a speed of 3200 megahertz, and you can buy it on Amazon right now for $86. For our storage, this is really up to you. I chose the Intel 660p series 512 gig NVMe SSD, but feel free for going for more storage or even less if you want. What I would do is I would go for this and then also maybe add in a 2 terabyte Seagate hard drive in the future if you want some extra Steam game storage. And for the cherry on top, we're going with the 3080 Founders Edition. Now this card has 10 gigs of VRAM and is faster than a 2080 Ti, and in some gaming tests usually beats the Titan RTX, which is a $1,600 graphics card for only $800. But this card is also really hard to find right now, but hopefully in a couple weeks you should be able to pick it up for $700. For our case, I chose the iQOO 4000X because of its amazing looks, as well as it has a pretty solid build, and it only costs $120. It also has a really good I/O with lots of USB as well as USB Type-C. For our power supply, I'm going with a 750 watt EVGA unit. This is 80 plus bronze rated, so it has decent power efficiency, as well as all black cables, which is really nice, and it's also semi-modular, so just a great all-around power supply that you can get for about $90 US. And that's the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button, and if you would change anything, leave a comment so I know what I could do for next time. I've left a PC part picker list in the description below, as well as links where you can buy all this stuff. I also want to apologize for not posting in the last couple weeks. I've been very busy with school, but I hope to post more really soon. And as always, see you again next video.